Hello friends, this is a tropical fruit called Surinam Cherry, Latin name Eugenia uniflora. It's a very special one because decades ago I made a cultivar that has a variegated leaves. Surinam cherry is not really cherry, it's just called like that in English. And it's not really from island Suriname. It is and it isn't because nearest country in land, Brazil, it's from there too. Today I'm gonna plant 663 seeds from my variegated Suriname cherries. Here is 100 freshly picked from a bush, another 100 day old, another 100 2 days old, another 100 3 days old, another 100 uh, 4 days old. This is 100 that the fruit rotted another day. Here is 55 that the fruit was aging seeds almost 10 days. These are 100. This one is 55 and this one is 8. These are the smallest seeds. To see if I can get another dwarf cultivar perhaps. We'll see. Okay, seeds. Now I'll cover you up and you can start sprouting. Okay, dear seeds, now you're covered with a growing medium, and in 4 weeks or so you'll start waking up from a nap. These are the leaves of small cultivar made by my friend, late Mr. Teshima. Long story. And of course, I'm planting seeds from this one too every year, hoping for interesting selection. And this is another selection I'm working on for largest possible leaves and fruit. Goodbye.